Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Also, thank you for Wana-san to introduce me. Today, before my presentation, I'd like to express my sincere thanks to ALM's management team because they well organized this conference, and also they gave us a lot of opportunity to share with you Japanese regenerative medicine and cell therapy development. So my presentation today is also I'd like to share with you a kind of global collaboration for RM industrialization in Japan. So until this September, in Japan, is only 2 official approval products in regenerative medicine area. But September of this year, 2 additional, I'd like to explain later, products approved, and also below 6, at least as far as I know, 6 new products are sooner or later bring to a patient. So today I'd like to explain just approved 2 material and therapeutic method. First one is, this is also very unique, the first allogenic regenerative medicine in Japan. So this is acute GVHD after HCT. So in Japan, HCT's patient number around 3,500 per year. So after initial treatment with steroid, still 440 remained. So they must be cured. And this product already launched in outside of Japan, but the unique point of Japan is not only children, but also adult are patient approved. So this is something due to a new regulatory framework. Next one is also heart seat. This is cultured autologous skeletal myoblast seat for patient severe ischemic heart failure. This is also kind of conditional approval, accelerated approval system. Then to finalize final approval within 5 years, 60 efficacy should be shown. This is conditional conditions. Anyway, Japanese PMDA, this is also current status, organized kind of strategic meeting before clinical trial. So this is a comparison table, normal drug and the medical devices and the regenerative medicine area, and also other source from academy, also company, also research institute. Drug in total from 11 to 2011 to in total 1 year. This is drug in case 132, medical devices 51, regenerative medicine is already accumulated number 65. So you know, the regenerative medicine is already modern medical device, and also among 65, 25% is from outside of Japan. So new regulation is speed up of the clinical trial before approval. So several, this is a yellow mark, is kind of speeding up approach. So more global pipeline we can get, and also regulation, new regulation, and conditional approval, and also CMO. You can outsource for culturing and for making final product. Also kind of special, in this case, base, special territory and region to accelerate the final goal by the incentive, not only money, but also kind of regulatory and also global cooperation. So our intention is to speed up to realize the regenerative medicine and the cell therapy treatment. Also, we FUJIFILM organized global pipeline gathering section, so-called RMIT, Regenerative Medicine Industrialization Task Force team. This team's objective is to bridge outside of Japan's companies and groups to get some partnering and collaboration with Japanese companies or Japanese group. So already this activity, this section is organized as from April 1st of this year. Already 34 partners approached to this section and to seek kind of partnering and collaboration. This is quite actively done. Also, this is kind of one of the real example of special region. This is just in front of Haneda Tokyo International Airport, very convenient place for patient and also for a company from abroad. This is not yet open, but next year, April, already construction started. This past image, next year, April, this construction will be finalized. The concept of this Life Innovation Center, so-called, together with the government and the local municipality, and also our farm, and also academia. This is 4 floors, a lot of benches and office in the 4th floor, and the laboratory. Laboratory and the office is 3rd floor, and also clinics are also already nominated, and the 1st floor is kind of a culturing processing floor, so-called one-stop solution service is done. Also, this is sometimes experiment and sometimes make it real treatment and the method developing. This is our idea. So already a similar slide from CERN, kind of entry and exit, push-pull relationship, only one concentrating building covering from entry to exit. Life Innovation Center will be global base, offering all for regenerative medicine and cell therapy. This is first current status of our farm. In total, already 173 companies and groups are member. Also, we are now trying to generate a global network. Already, as one has already explained, FUJIFILM and ARM are very successful agreement, collaboration done, but also we'd like to proceed more international global network, Canada, Australia, Asia, UK, and Sweden. This is also our duty and role, academia result and scientific result in between science and market. There are a big gap, so-called development process. We have to fill in these type of, we have to tackle this type of gap, but also our intention is not waiting for push from academia. Also, we'd like to pull positively in terms of technology, in terms of investment, in terms of cooperation with regulatory department of government. This is our current status. Thank you very much for your attention.